Hello guys, today we'll be learning how to play My Heart Will Trust in You. I'll play it very briefly, then I'll do a breakdown in the later part of the video. Okay, so that was the song. In terms of progression, there are just three parts. We have the intro, we have the verse, and we have the chorus. So they have different progressions. So we'll cover the intro, the verse, and the chorus progressions. Now, the intro, we are going to cover the intro now. But first of all, we are in the key of C. C is C, E, E, F, G, A, B, C. We are in the key of C major. Okay? Now, the one chord is the C major chord, C, E, G. The two chord is the D minor chord, which is D, F, A. The three chord is the E minor chord, E, G, D. The four chord is the F major chord, which is F, A, C. The five chord is the G major chord, which is G, B, D. The sixth chord is the A minor chord, which is A, B, E. A, C, E. Got it. A, C, E. The seventh chord is the diminished chord, which is B, D, F. And back to the one. So in terms of the number system, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Or some people call it 8. Now, the intro, basically the progression is 1, 4, 6, 5. 1, 2, 6, 5. Twice. Okay? So I'll cover that again. Now, the first chord is C, E, G. The second chord, which is the 4, 1, 4. So the 4 chord is F, A, C. You can invert it. You can take this C note, put it down here, and you have C, F, A. It's the same thing. So you can play 1 to the 6. The 6 is A, B, A, C, E. you can take the E, put it down here, inversion, okay? Then to the 5. The 5 is this, but you can take this note up here, put it down here. You know, inversion helps you to move more smoothly on the keyboard rather than playing this. That's a lot of jump, okay? So the other part is 1, 2, 6, 5, and you can invert playing this way. You can play the 1 chord this way, or you play this way. Then the 2 chord, which is then to the 6. You can play this. I showed you already this. Then to the 5. So all together you have okay. So to add some movement, you can just play arpeggios. Arpeggios are basically broken notes of the chord. The chord broken into notes and played. Okay. So for example, C major chord arpeggio will be, okay, and if you invert it, you can have, okay. So we play the arpeggios. So you hit the chord on the right, you play the arpeggio. So you play. Or if you have big hands, you can double up. Play the C up here, so you can play. Okay, so you can play. If you have small hands, you can just play. So that's that for the intro. Then we go over to the verse. So now we go to the verse. I'll walk closer now on the highway, through the darkest night. Will you hold my hand? Jesus, guide my way. Okay, so we'll cover that slowly. I'll walk closer now. That's the 1 chord. This chord. I'll walk closer now on the highway to the 5. This is the 5 chord. Through the darkest night. Darkest night is the D minor chord. We covered this chord already. That's the 2 chord. So we go 1 1 5 5 2 2 6 1 5 6 4 1. Okay, again. I'll walk closer now. 1 on the highway. 5 through the darkest night. 2 will you hold my hand. 6 Jesus. That was 1 5. Guide my way. That was 6 4 1 4 6 5. So these 3 chords, they set the tone, to go into the verse again. the second verse. So altogether, the first verse. I'll walk closer now on the highway to the darkest night will I hold my hand. Jesus, guide my way. Now the second verse, same thing. Oh, you mourn with me and you dance with me, for my heart, oh heart, is bound to you. Now this goes into the chorus. Though I walk through valleys low. So, though I walk. So this is one, right? This is the one chord. Though I walk through valleys low, right? So 1, 5. So on the left, you are playing B, G, B, and on the right, you are playing the 5 chord. So, though I walk through valleys, this is 6 chord, valleys low, 4 chord. You can see the notes of this chord on the screen. So this is the 4 chord. I'll fear no evil. Right? So that part was 6, 5, but on the left, you play the 5 chord on the right, on the left, you play B. Right? So one, 4. Again. Still my soul, 4. My heart, 6. Will trust in you. So 6, 5, 1, 4. My heart, 6. Will trust 5 in you, 1. So this goes into the intro basically as an interlude. Okay, so that was the song, and for the intermediate players, you can play the melody on top as you play. You know. You know. So intermediate players, you can play the melody on the note, but if you accompany a singer, you should just usually play the chords, okay, and just once in a while hit the melody notes. So that's it. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. Appreciate it. See you guys in future videos. Thank you.